Ebusian for my mom Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification also so that anytime you post a video, be to say we have some.
Samira ba omian twin tenase and draws at you. Muna fiki mutum banzani. Mon kanu kurenkrebophobia no amowi preku. Wone wo yere. Obekona toothpick kutomo fie no omde wo preku ma. Aye so omo pick cheese. Obekona Samira tia na ba omia tia na omachi preku pa omachi. Na omde toothpick wom. Ogoto ba omia na wana no wi se Check Norris na or the wo preku kotodwa. Aye so abodam. Mo wi preko no wan gusu wi na be ye nkremofo ye jiminti ena Samira me hu video bi o TikTok okọ nkremofo state house so okoye sala obutu okwa no ntumi mutuo onya sorry wey mu munafiki Samira nya sorry avena o chachi no me say wey oni ni kru wi preko obo wan gusu MPP fo jimi sa na mo ka na ofie omo wi preko yi omo sim obekona toothpick omo mi enu target preko ba omia preko ha no pe preko ha ne ha preko ha ope bebia emre no eho no ode wo na wate akire sa ai oyo so lie akwa wi preko de nam Ghana ye kana bubu ofu enti ade ha ye se ba omia wi preko nti ye didi ba omia tam entwe
Ghana fo atwo aba wie NDC and a woman war power, but MPP for a trendy. The DNA catcher. Ghana for to Obama NDC a real NDC ne war power. But MPP now one more opposition. One moment a trendy. The DNA catcher. Which now say, oh, your party ne fail. So we NDC ni communicator. Na NDC na ewo power. Na wuntimi nya inwuma NDC for eye. Na wundi ho adanse. Na MPP no wo opposition no. Sa nkofo na wo mu opposition na Ghana for ato abatia wo mu because of wo mu anya ade no. Wo mu mom na wo ka wo mu ho asem de a. That means so party na fail. That is the fact. So we NDC communicator. Na wuntimi nya inyuma pa NDC for eye. One wie bi within 1.5 years ni unye bi nka ho asem. Na MPP for no wo opposition na obeka wo ho asem de ya. We kire say o party na fail. Because Yamu NDC for ye Ghana for boss say ye ba mambu mu a anesis for be nya adwuma ye ba ye ne so anesis for nya adwuma anya eno na ese say ye hwe ka ho asem e kire NDC government ne wo mu tu ho anamo ye Ghana for boss ye ba power aye fu en MPP e ma ne jump ye no ye bete so aba ye be mana ba form ene MP ena meka say petrol 1 liter MPP for agent 14.6 to say 14.1 ene petrol no ene 15 cedi per liter when say ye hwe ho ka ho asem kire NDC government na wo mu ye bibi fa ho NDC government promise Ghana for 24 hours economy policy. So one more power, one more beye. And say ya ba power ye nye. When I say ya sha ho kan ho asem kire NDC government. Na one more ye bibi fa ho. Nimpa no opposition. Why are you talking about the person? You are making the MPP people proud. You are making them popular. Who make them popular? What a war power to you, Mrs. Yana ye war power. Yan NDC, yana ye war power, but ye Mrs. here. Because ye nya ye bien phone to ye. wunya policy bia wo ye NDC member aye failure ma because wunya policy bia mfon tu ho as NDC member NDC ba mbuo mu policy a wo mo de aba wo mo abeye no wunya bi mfon tu ho as NDC member when necessary yehwe ye correct aban no so onye because wo say ye bo bebre wo se mati dollar so mati petrol so and the petrol na beduru bebi a wo be fa no aterapo and the dollar no be fa no 14 cedis o sisi and nam 12 cedis inflations were 3.5%. By nyoma bo ayedin inflations were from by yentade wenum na say ase NDC communicator wo pese o man ni tumpon na NDC ni ye bibi pade mo man Ghana wenum na say wo hwe na wo ka ho asem na wo refer to the government say emene ma wo preposition say ni na wo kan yo inti wa bade e make sure say one nye mistake
Ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia se wo pe photographers omunim juma ebano editing omutwa pictures omu cameras akese lenses akese omu drones ni bibia ope bia no touch of the way photography for omunaba was screen so esa wo contact omu say yeah ma a wedding funeral birthday party and I say asase bimpo na wo na opese wo hia drone video ni drone pictures of asasina but modern say wa contact touch of the way photography bebia upe say omo ye djuma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no omo ye claro na omo ya ma and omo ye very 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 affordable so upe say birthday photo shoot mo manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter very important but modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo and they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you the special discount. Ebusian for ubetimi aboye your production na ye. As time is passing, your studio kind of saying vision scanning ho. And then also equipment in your bebre. It might be say be more and all those things. One I'm betting me a boy. A political platform and a pro MPP political platform. And can scan one I pay and can wait make I say neutrals. And news no bar na NDC MPP news a cow be a car drink a cake. But you see a person MPP wa buy more. And no now managing me coining. So we dedicate ourselves to MPP. And no po obi ama ye one Ghana crop MPP no. And there ye Debbie. And sometimes we compare advertisers. I'm say Debbie. If say be adverts wo mo ho I say MPP for. And this for say Juma ma e. And to me. And ye hear your support to keep this work going. That is why the number is right here on the screen. And Phyllis said, we have no work into your pocket. So what you have is what you can give us. And people do so beautifully. Kofobi kura mu ni bi kura mu frɛ ɛde ka den ɛhyɛ yɛn kran. Is that the right tree there? He said yeah. Fanche me wa me tree no hyɛ da nyɛ saa. But please help us. Help Ghana Sem.
Yene atobi mpofirim na aban oboko na wakofa na dom odzo ho abefi nti evacuation onya de papa oda aban bi obose wo ho because ekwana onam do maraka fa wo manfo no oya yem hihade oya do ya maisho oya do ya nti evacuation no
obi biara asama ton ma waraba fanen o de hu do o yawum because o mixed feelings etukwa ekọ beebi eridi dwuma bi na dwumadi na nwie na esani bi abenta o da san wachi nti obi biara oridi dwuma papa bi na onwie na mpofiri o da wasan so wo ba fan nya do orutukwan da wankasa eboa wo ho isiesie wo ho na akofo wo plane nti se wa ba ne de wo man panyin anada o manan wode ewimehyan bi wode ba abafo no che da asame bi esa ayaya nti o wara nkasa wo ba fa won e wayam nti o banda ma wankasa mpo no ahobo na ahopo nti ezo suma. Most of the people were evacuate one whatever bona we si ho taze ebi mpo they are traumatized ontuma nkasa usanda yawo bi afo no mu na evacuation anyipa nanyu agida whatever fa ne ho wan bobra onyipa enyan
thank you
onyipa gengen wan bobra ko hwi kwase mpanya
nyimpenyan
odumofo kala na plane wa befi nti na dum nyi de okay yenyina ya bu pepepe yenyina ya bu
pepepe
apatesho gini so yenyina ya bu
pepepe
masho
thank you
mo papa no kana sembi de so waraka ambenyi sama kwa buta so be ose moso ma akanyi padu obiara ehu maso nchenyi ma amenyi sam no yes obianka da waya osomobo amenyi sam adanche obiara ntumi ye oninya amenyi sam no abente bi we krasi oh meko caution mankutin ma chirejata mankutin mabushafu se yi osifia mumba ya wontumi nsepon no wo ka menyisam no so anka ne da asi ehun toilet na osikal kwemi na obiala ehun nipa akwanyin amina bubu ndem mkoye da bazin ma kwanye sikal kwan obiala ehun ni endi saban
obi akache jete se makanye sika akono
oni endi saban enyi pejenja fu basa Ghana futifie intum nche hoka na fu de suma Ghana fu minyo kaso nso ato ma Ghana fu eja pada asai wa kafa Ghana fu 300 South Africa fu wa ma ya ate no mo be ye 10 pen wo papers Mahamas ye yini si kwon ho wa ya de obi nye bida woka amenyi sama onye ma aka nye karu kwem obiara ehu no ehu abanya akwato abama wa abanya na ono na ibebi so ho de na evacuation da aban onkafa ni kromofo a wokwa ahohiahiam ni bi nsida masho bi nsida JJ Rollins akofa Liberia fo Koose Liberia wakofo ho wodon obey onu mpanu na nyenwonya na woye Ghana fo UN wo fabi wodubay ma wodon boku budumbura first na Morovia no subado na mamu kroma afarefi obi mu wada ahema wodo kwa Senegal mo oye na bi kosi wado Ghana aban ka fom Akufo-Addo na Abrodo there were in fact Gabon abra one Gabon president o started olu ku Ghana for 2005 Akufo na Abrodo wo hu pa anya har what the we ku Ghana for en wona wo kwai mma bi so bai Akufo-Addo na brodo okofa Ghana fo Sudan yebotum yaka pan Ukraine ekune started Orban Ghana ban okwai. In fact, there were mobilization. Yeah, Ghana, a student, iwo kronoma, braha, aban, baba wa baba for. Dama adulti de mean, or ya da, no swat about your fans. I had done, no swat about your fans. I had done what about your fans. Na, Sabi, ye funo ban, when you made a wakasa. Bebia or bajino. Ye funo ban. And these are bang. Na adokro moya yo ho in there. Adwene no de won tirim no onye dwumo and they force Ghanaians to reason to the lowest level that they want us to go. Mashru, our kite phone no. What they I mean Ghana phone bebre I would just Google Adi na hwasem baba. Mama I say I will just Google empty barrels make the most noise. Adi bi baba na yankan. Ankura pine ankura pun no ye dede abrofo no woni nchechiremu wo ho why they said that empty barrels make the most noise na yemfa ya adusua kakra bi the reason why ya nkokwa nketenkete obaba be ye dede wo Ghana the reason why ya pad be se na mansin president obesom wo atoto na wota be ye dede won ya so aso ye gbe
It's a classic proverb. Empty barracks makes the most noise. It's a classic proverb, meaning the people with the least knowledge, experience, or talent are often the most talkative and opinionated. Conversely, truly wise or confident people generally speak only when they have something meaningful to contribute. Okay, one is a all right, one is a